Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Virgin Galactic special event, big event that's coming up here very soon. In about 3 hours, they are going to reveal the spaceship cabin for Virgin Galactic. And, this could pop the stock. I don't know at the end of the day. But I'm assuming these 904 people that are waiting for this event are all shareholders, and if they like what they see, they could buy more stock, which could cause this price to spike. But again, I don't know at the end of the day. There's also short sellers that could bring down the stock price. Right now the stock is up and it's popping, but I don't know what it should do, but I honestly believe that Virgin Galactic should be priced higher than $5.24 billion in my opinion, and I will show you that in a minute. But as of recording July 15th 2020, Virgin Galactic has a 38.76 million short on it, so quite a bit of short sellers are piling on the stock. Why? Maybe because they think the stock price should go down and it deserves a lower market cap. I think it deserves a higher market cap than this. It all depends. It's a battle of rich people at the end of the day, right? It's a battle between shorts and bulls. And right now there's a big pile of shorts on the stock, and and it's a battle between billionaires really at the end of the day. So will the short billionaires win, or will the rich the bull billionaires win at the end of the day? Because it requires quite a bit of money to move the stock up a dollar. Every dollar the stock goes up, it's roughly $210 million. SpaceX is the reason why I'm so bullish on space is because Elon Musk is raising $1 billion in the private market for a valuation of $44 billion. I believe, I could be wrong, according to Hyperchange, it's roughly $270 per share at the moment to make this evaluation of $44 billion. And what is SpaceX? Virgin Galactic is $5.24 billion, and it's traded on a public market. So yeah, Virgin Galactic, I'm bullish on Virgin Galactic. I think it deserves a higher market cap, but at the end of the day, I can't control where the stock price goes. Most retail investors probably can't control where the stock price goes. Only big money will, because in order for the stock to move up a dollar, that's $210 million. And I don't think these 906 people have that kind of cash. Maybe like 2 or 3 individuals in there, or maybe 10 individuals in there might be billionaires, and they can easily pump the stock if they wanted to, but the rest of them are not. So yeah, it all depends on the billionaires at the end of the day, and the short sellers. If short sellers get squeezed and the other billionaires push the stock price up, retail investors might help, but ultimately it's the billionaires. If they want to push the stock price up, scare the shorts, boom, the stock easily could be $30, $40, $50. I think the stock deserves to be at least $50, because that will give them a roughly a $10 billion valuation, a more than $10 billion valuation, which would be fair if you compare it to Elon Musk's $44 billion valuation. I think Virgin Galactic deserves a higher market cap, but just because I think something doesn't mean it will happen. We'll see where big money pushes Virgin Galactic at the end of the day. I'm bullish. I think Virgin Galactic deserves a higher market cap, but just because I think it should be, doesn't mean it will happen at the end of the day. We'll see though. Tesla today is being pushed down Why? Because the market is kind of red today. Solo is traded. So Solo is traded on the public market, and I don't control where Solo stock moves. I don't think a lot of people do. You know, yeah, you can buy it and gamble that Solo go higher, but like I said, it's traded on the public markets, and when something is traded on the public market, it can get shorted. And right now, Solo is getting shorted. Last month it was 658K short. On July 15th, there's 2.69 million shares shorted, and you know, every day it can get shorted or it can get covered. I don't know at the end of the day what people will do. I think retail investors are more in control of this stock, simply because it has such a small market cap and such a tight float that it can easily be moved to the upside or downside. So yeah, I think at the end of the day, I think retail investors are more in control of Virgin Galactic than they are of space. But you know, there's a lot of people that don't like this company's car, the look of the company's car, like the Solo. So a lot of people are bearish on it, and they don't really want to buy the stock. So you know, that's their choice. At the end of the day, if the management can execute and they release the right news release, big money is gonna come back in, and they're gonna pump the stock. And you know, like I said, the stock can easily run up to the upside real fast. Like for example, this stock was $2.33, and in like 2 days or 3 days, it ran all the way up to $6. So it doesn't take very much time for the stock to run all the way up. So, you know, yeah, this stock is going down right now, but that just creates a buying opportunity. I mean, the lower it goes, the more of a buying opportunity it becomes, because big money can come back in and just pump the stock up to the upside in a very short amount of time, simply because it has such a tight float. And shorts will get panic and they'll cover, and the stock will go up massively and very fast in an extreme short amount of time. So we'll see where that goes. But right now, I mean, I'm bullish long term charting perspective. It's downtrending. So we could see this thing trade in the low $2. I mean, or even in $1 range. It all depends on, you know, what kind. It all depends on big money. Or I mean, like I said, retail investors could control the stock, but I don't think they care too much. So big money ultimately will determine where the stock price goes at the end of the day. So we'll see. Neo stock is down today. Neo is also very heavily shorted. It has 127 million shares shorted, 10.73% of the float, which I mean, I guess is not that bad, but it's still pretty bad in my opinion. So Arcomotive is also pretty. I don't know if it's heavily shorted, but we can look. Nope, Arcomotive is not heavily shorted. Very, very low short float on it. So we'll see where this goes, but yeah, but it's still looking like it's downtrending. So we'll see. Blink this morning is up 9.15 cents, 12.12%. $218 million market cap, and does it have a big short position? It's a decent sized short position, 10% of the float, 2.99 million shares. So yeah, it has a decent short position, but I think there are a lot of retail investors that are bullish on this, because it's the gas station of the future, gas station of electric vehicles, and shorts are losing the battle on this a little bit, because it doesn't look like it's downtrending at all right now. It just looks like it's kind of stabilizing. We'll see where this thing goes in the near future, but some people are bullish. I'm kind of like neutral. Plug Power down 7 cents. Let's see the short position on Plug. Plug short. Oh, short. Pretty heavily shorted. 58.42 million. 17.59% of the float. It is, shorts did cover from June 5th to July 15th. About 10 million shares, somewhat around there. Workhorse is actually pretty heavily shorted. Almost 20% of the float is shorted. 19.66 million shares shorted. 24.5% of the float. Last month it was 9.99 million. This month it's 19.66 million. It has a total float of 65 million shares. So quite heavily shorted on this one. So shorts are gambling that this stock will fall in the near future. They could get squeezed depending on the news and rich people battling it out. Nikola Motors. Nikola is not as heavily shorted, which is kind of shocking. 11.53 million with a float of 130 million. It's up 45 cents this morning. Spartan Energy is way too new, and I don't think this even has a short position on it, but we will check. 502,000 short position. Very low short on it. Shell Corporation is up 3.21% this morning. Does it have a big short position? It does not have a very big short position. Very small short position on it. AMD is down this morning. Could be an opportunity to be bullish. I don't know where the stock is heading after earnings, but if it dips all the way down to $60 again, that's a huge opportunity. Intel this morning down 21 cents, not as bad as AMD. Nvidia is down $5.63, not as bad as AMD. TSM is down $4.61. That's probably the reason why AMD is down, because TSM is down, and that's $4.55 is a big chunk to be down on. Why is it down so much this morning? Is there any news on this? I think it just pulled back from being oversold. Yeah, I think it's just being pulled back because it was oversold, but $4.63 is quite $4 pullback is pretty big. That's like every dollar this thing pulls back is $5 billion. So $4 pullback is about $20 billion pullback. That's pretty big. Afria this morning up 24 cents. Kind of a big deal. Aurora is up 9 cents this morning. Canopy is up 19 cents. Kron is down a penny. Tilray is down 5 cents. Beyond Meat is down 23 cents. Very Good Butchers is up 4 cents this morning, 2.63%. The market today is slightly red, not like super red, but slightly red. Gold is up a little bit, so that's good. And oil is down. Let's see. Let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold is down 65 cents. JNUG is down 8.09%. I think JNUG had another reverse split. I think so. Not sure though. Bitcoin this morning is it's pulling back. Interesting. And then Hive Blockchain Technology, Hive stock. What is Hive doing this morning? Hive is taking forever to load. Only down half a penny. Let's see some of the multi-state operators. Let's see what Kira is doing this morning. Kira is up 11 cents. True Eve is up 14 cents, but it's pulling back a little bit. Harv is up a penny. Liberal Health Science is down half a penny. What's High Tide doing? High Tide is not really doing too much. MedMen is trading sideways. Cresco Labs is up 10 cents. GTI is up 5 cents. So yeah, the US multi-state operators are not doing like horrible, but they're not really popping. But yeah, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.